Lost Things Land. Meowgic, it's not here.
It's not in the drawers.
Hi there, Marcy.
Hello. Hi, Valerie. Hi, Mikey.
Astro Dino's ready to fly.
But it looks like Boba Bear is missing.
Again? Don't worry, Marcy. It'll show up.
But what if it doesn't? How will this rocket ship get to space without a captain?
Maybe we should put up posters. They can say that Boba Bear has gone missing.
Why don't we just make a wish? Meowgic, we need you to help us find Boba.
Hey, why didn't you say so in the first place? Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish, and now it's granted.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Welcome, my friends, to Lost Things Land,
Wow.
where all lost things go.
Wow. I never would have thought it all went here.
Like now, it looks like someone lost their slipper. It's soft.
Meowgic, stick to the plan. We need to find Boba. Boba!
Hey, that's my sock. You're home now. Hey! Look, it's my pencil.
Aha! I finally found it.
Boba?
Nope. Yesterday's lunch.
Where did you go? Boba!
Marcy! Ooh.
It seems like Boba's always getting lost at the worst times. He's a naughty bear.
Marcy, Boba was behind you.
Where? We need a helicopter to find him.
I got it. We need to fly.
Yeah!
Marcy, just so you know, I'm only doing this for you.
Thank you, Meowgic. Let's get going! Woohoo! Look, Meowgic, down there. It's Boba.
Down there? But Marcy, I'm already pretty scared.
Boba, we've all been looking everywhere for you. Come on, it's time to go.
What does it matter? You're just going to lose me again anyway.
But Boba, I didn't lose you.
Then who left me under the table? Or in the sandbox? Or on the swings, on the bench, and under the bed?
I I just thought that you got lost on your own because you're naughty. I'm sorry, Boba. It was an accident.
It's okay.
Marcy, we thought you were lost like Boba.
We need to stop getting lost. Meowgic, take us home, please.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish, and now it's granted.
Marcy, it appears you found your teddy bear. Try not to lose it again.
Thanks a lot, Madame Carol.
To make sure things stop getting lost, you need to always put them back where they belong, Marcy. Wait, where's my monocle?
Madame Carol, it's right there in your hand.
Captain Boba is coming in for landing. Now he's going back where he belongs. Wait a minute. Have you guys heard about that one zebra who sneezed so hard that his stripes flew all over? Large and in charge.
I was one ear away from finishing. Now I have to start all over.
Well, it wouldn't have happened if we had a little more space. No room to swing a cat.
Hey, Mom, check out what Valerie and I are doing.
Incredible, Marcy. But we've got to get home now. Hey, Madame Carol. I brought you that special tea you asked for.
Why, thank you, Arena. Join me. It's always tea time in my house.
Oh, hey, Mom. Since you're going to have tea, you think we can keep playing some more?
Well, of course. But only 10 more minutes, okay?
Oh, lift up your chins, my little ones. Someday when you grow up, why, you can play as long as you want to.
Meowgic, Meowgic. I want to grow up to be big.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish, and now it's granted.
Huh? Meowgic, I think you misunderstood what I wanted.
Marcy, people misunderstand. And us cats, especially the magic ones, we don't do that.
I got it. It's a sword, just like the one Puss in Boots has. Ha ha!
Why didn't you tell me it was a magical ruler?
What are we gonna do with Mikey now that he's mega? Marcy, Valerie, have you seen my glasses? Mikey, be careful. Are you trying to crush us? Hey, wait, where did everyone go?
Meowgic, you've just got to make Mikey small again. Meowgic, you there?
You've got to be kidding me with this. Turning into a flea is not my idea of a good time.
It seems that Mikey and Meowgic can't hear us at all.
Well, then we've got to get that ruler back. Now it's broken.
We need to find Meowgic.
Am I hearing things, or was that a thunderclap?
It's just us. We're playing.
That's right.
To be a carefree child again. Come on, Arena. That tea won't drink itself.
I just thought of a way that Mikey will be able to see us. Come on. Mikey! Mikey! We're here!
That slide sure looks pretty small. Or did I just get really big? What's my mom gonna say? Mommy!
Oh, Mikey, there's no need to shout so loudly. Dinner's almost ready.
Be there soon, Mommy.
I'm not ready for Mikey's voice to change. Children grow up so fast.
How am I ever gonna make dinner now? Good thing I saved that piece of candy. A shoelace! Marcy, quick, grab on. Then Mikey will pull us out with the candy. Mikey, get Meowgic out of your hair. Who's there?
Oh? Meowgic, where are you? Meowgic! Meowgic!
Meowgic!
Huh? Meowgic! 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 Let's go again.
No.
Meowgic!
It's about time you found me.
Meowgic, please turn things back to the way they were.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish, and now it's granted!
It sure is nice to have you small again, Mikey.
And it's nice to know that none of us need to be in a hurry to grow up.
Hey, look, my kitty's finished. Achoo!
Oh, bless you, Mikey. That's a big boy sneeze.
Gee, thank you. But I think that for now, I'll stay small.
Mikey, dinner's ready.
Oh, yeah!
Have you heard about the boy who refused to learn geography and then got lost in his very own room? Sherlock knows. Oh, what a day! Don't you love the smell of summer? A day like this is made for scooter races and ice cream sandwiches.
In my humble opinion, it just smells like plain old daisies and water from a garden hose.
Oh? Meowgic, it looks like they made up a game that's brand new.
It looks pretty much like hide and seek, only they hide themselves and seek themselves.
Sounds fun to me. Mikey, Valerie, here we come. So are we hiding now or seeking?
Seeking.
Seeking what?
The scooter. I mean, Marcy's scooter seems to be missing.
What? Like it just up and disappeared?
Well, first I took a little ride on it, and then it disappeared.
Now it smells like the start of a real detective investigation.
You think that maybe Madame Carol took it?
No. Madame Carol only rides on Saturdays, whereas today is Tuesday.
We searched the whole yard and didn't find anything. I'm sorry, Marcy. It seems your scooter's gone forever.
I know. I'll make a wish. Meowgic, I want to learn how to find things that have gone missing.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish, and now it's granted.
the hose and the daisies.
You've got whiskers now, just like the puppy next door.
Oh, wow. So awesome. I'm like a real-life detective hound dog. And you can call me Sherlock Nose.
And I'm Dr. Meowgic. Shall we begin the investigation, dear colleague?
Let's start from the top. Hold it. Where'd you get the carpet?
What are you talking about?
Choo! Oh, what happened?
Elementary, dear Marcy. You were distracted by the smell of a dusty carpet.
Back to the top.
Huh? Oh.
Ooh. Mikey, did cinnamon buns rain down from the sky?
Oh, I forgot. It's Tuesday, and Mom always makes cinnamon buns on Tuesdays.
Sherlock Nose is off the scent once again. Hey, Marcy, why not take it from the top?
Got it.
Sherlock knows. It's okay.
How can I be Sherlock Nose if I can't even find my missing scooter in the backyard? Meowgic, I don't want this nose. Please take it all back.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish, and now it's granted.
But how are we going to find the scooter now?
Elementary. Perhaps we just need to use our eyes instead of our nose,
I never even noticed these footprints. Valerie, who else was in the yard?
Nathan was here with us.
Exactly. Hey there, Nathan. Morning. Here you go.
Where did you find it? I'm so grateful. What a talented detective you are, Marcy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now maybe you can help us find something?
Might you be the witness for a mysterious disappearance?
Oh, wow.
It's a pink beauty with a scratch on its side.
2 scratches.
Huh?
Plus 2 wheels and a handlebar.
A riddle. And I'm supposed to guess, right? A scooter?
Yeah, you got it.
Just left lying in the middle of the yard?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yay! We found my scooter. Thanks, Nathan.
No problem. Just keep a better eye on your things next time.
Got it.
Dear colleague, our mystery is solved.
And thus, Dr. Meowgic, we have proved that simple detective skills can be just as good as a dog's nose.
I couldn't even have said it better myself, dear colleague.
And now, the scooter race. Have you heard about the granny who wanted a bicycle so badly she actually grew one in her garden? Dance, dance, dance. And this girl in a red dress kicked up her leg, like bam!
Bam! Oh yeah, and then that cool dancing octopus came out.
Back already, are we?
Oh?
Well, I've been stuck right here. Why aren't cats allowed to see musicals anyway?
Meowgic, I'm so sorry we couldn't take you with us to the show.
The dancing was brilliant.
I know. Meowgic, we need you to make us amazing dancers, just like the ones we saw today.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish, and now it's granted.
Oh, wow! Look at these cool moves I can do.
I can ballet dance. And you're not the only one, Mikey.
Come on, paws and claws. My tail just doesn't have any rhythm.
But dancing by itself is pretty boring. I say we play a game.
I don't want to stop dancing.
But in the musical, they could do everything while dancing, so we can too. Fishies go swimming 1, fishies go swimming 2.
Meowgic, when Marcy gives us the cue to freeze, you have to stop and freeze without moving.
Fishies go swimming 3. The fishies freeze in the deep blue sea. Why isn't anyone freezing?
Marcy, we can't stop moving.
Okay. We can move while playing soccer then. Cool dance you got there, Mikey. But don't forget to be goalie.
Dancing in soccer is just too hard.
Blind man's bluff then? Where are you going, Meowgic? We're over here clapping.
I must go wherever the dance calls me. Meow.
Yeah, blind man's bluff isn't great either. Can we eat? I'm really hungry.
Let's go to my house. My dad will make us something.
Oh, I'll make you the best omelet. Or maybe not. How about an eggplant stew? Oh, I guess that won't do.
Huh? Maybe we should try dancing to the bench. Oh no, we didn't get to eat.
At least we're still dancing. Huh?
What was that?
It's from Madame Carol's. Should we go and see?
Don't you mean, should we dance and see?
I think Madame Carol needs our help.
How do I catch that? How do I catch Madame Carol?
Meowgic, I need you to put everything back like before. I don't want to dance anymore.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish, and now it's granted.
Oh, did I end up here? I'm completely at a loss. I thought I was cleaning up, but somehow the clutter has only gotten worse here.
Don't worry, Madame Carol. We can help you out.
I would be so grateful for your help. Dear children.
Ooh.
That looks so much better. It's a lot easier when you do one thing at a time.
I prefer to do 3. I joke.
Whew. How strange. I'm just exhausted. I feel like I've been dancing all day.
It's the air pressure. That's what the radio said.
Oh, we completely forgot about my dad's stew.
All right, I'll see what I can do.
Meowgic, didn't you undo the spell on my dad?
I don't know. This has never happened before.
Marcy, I don't think it's the spell. Your dad just loves cooking, and it makes him want to dance.
Soccer makes me want to dance. Can we play after lunch? But this time, I promise I won't miss the goal.
Sounds great to me. Have you guys heard about the girl who was spinning so fast she actually turned into a spin? Oops. A race to erase.
Oh, Marcy. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Why won't you sit somewhere while I'm cleaning up? Why not draw something? Like your friends.
But I don't know what I'd want to draw. Hey, what are you guys drawing?
I decided to draw a Meowgic.
Oh, good. Look, don't forget my fabulous tail.
And I'm finally finished with my drawing. Take a look at my cool robot.
Awesome. But he looks broken with all those springs. We can erase some of them.
But I don't want to. He needs all those springs to move around.
Valerie, don't get upset. See this? There's also something here that needs to be erased.
What's wrong with our yard?
Look at this box in the way. It ruins the scene.
I wonder, what could be in that box?
Not a thing, because it's just a painting. Meowgic, I wish we could take the box from the painting.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish and now it's granted.
Oops, I stepped in a puddle.
Not water. This stuff is paint.
I think we ended up inside the painting too. That's so awesome! Look, guys, there's the box. There you go, bird.
Oh, yum. Huh? Oh, hairballs.
What on earth is that? A feather duster, a huge one. It wants to brush us off.
Hide behind the tree.
Gesundheit, madame.
Why, thank you, Mikey. Is my painting dirty?
Mikey, what's that?
Giant Madame Carol.
Hide. Don't let her see us. We can't explain.
But how are we gonna get to the box now, guys?
Whoa! It's an earthquake! Quick, grab onto something!
Madame Carol, please stop cleaning!
Did you say something, children? Children, where have you gone? They were just right here.
Aha!
I don't think it's a good idea.
It's a great one.
Looks a bit familiar.
Meowgic?
No, I am Meowgic.
Ah, so that's what was in the box.
It's like a mirror image of you.
We may look similar, but please be aware I'm a much younger cat. Although I must say, cats only grow far better and wiser as the years go by.
And to think, Marcy, you wanted to erase this box.
Oh.
Yeah, a box with Meowgic? You're the best part of this whole painting. I can't erase it. Plus, we've already messed up the painting.
Yeah, this place sure is a mess.
Then it's our job to fix it.
Yes, Meowgic, you're a genius. Ah, yes, such an artist.
Fabulous.
It was so nice to meet you all.
Bye-bye, Painted Meowgic. And now, I wish we could go back to the real world again.
Magic tales and paws enchanted. Make a wish, and now it's granted.
There you are. Where did you kids go?
We were playing
Outside.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh. That's interesting. This is new. Has Meowgic always been there?
No.
Where else would he be? Not inside a box.
You little artists. That's what you were up to.
Hey, the sun's out. Let's go draw something outside.
You're not gonna erase anything?
This is such an interesting robot.
And there's nothing in her drawing that doesn't belong there. Have you ever heard about the kid who got a giraffe as a pet? Now he rides around in the clouds.